got Ben Spoon, Alex, Will, Sophie. It's raining really hard. Downtown Princeton. And I'm scared.
Say hello, Sophie. It's really raining in Princeton.
It's really raining.
Sophie's going to go out in the rain, trash cats.
Sophie's going to go do a dance.
Why don't you just throw it and see if you can make it?
Oh, Sophie, will you throw my trash out too? Krumko, what'd you get for ice cream?
Dark chocolate and some kind of raspberry.
How did you like it?
It's quite delicious.
On a scale of 1 to 10, how... Holy moly! If you can see the sky right now, it's not very happy. Sophie, what did you get? Was it good? Will, were you satisfied with your Ben Spoon?
I loved my Ben Spoon. I had chocolate and coffee cookie.
On a scale of 1 to 10, how good?
1 to 10, 9.3.
Oh, nice. That's a high score. Way enough.